In this video, we will learn how to convert the amount in percentage in pivot table in Google Sheet. So let's start this by Google Sheet. I have here some data. First, I'm going to insert the pivot table. First, select the full data, Control A. Then go to the Insert tab, click on the pivot table option. Ensure that this range is properly selected. Then insert into new sheet. If you want to pivot report in existing sheet, you can select the existing sheet. I just select the new sheet and click on the create. Here you see the right hand side the pivot table editor. I just add here the pivot table to add the rows first. Here you see the drop down list of the your data headers. I just select the location. In column I select the manager. In value I select the amount, and in filter I select the date. Okay, so here I'm going to change the amount in percentage. So in value, here you see in summarize by sum, and here you see the show as a default. If you want to see the in percentage, just click on this arrow. Here you see the percentage of row. When you click on the percentage of row, you see the all row data is a percentage in 100% in row 100%. Okay, showing the 100%. When you click on the percentage of column, here see all column grand total is showing the 100% in column, showing the 100%. When you click on the again this arrow and percentage of grand total, then here see only grand total show is a 100%. Okay, this is a way the percentage showing in your pivot table of values. So hope you understand. If you like these, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.